Suppose two girls are eating a slice of watermelon and they manage to finish it in 5 minutes. If their speed of eating is the same, how long will it take one girl to eat a slice? Will it take more time or less? It will take more time for one girl to eat a slice than it will take two girls to eat the same slice. In other words, the number of girls is inversely proportional to the amount of time it takes to finish a slice of watermelon. If we increase the number of girls, the amount of time to finish the slice of watermelon will decrease. To calculate the amount of time it will take for one girl to finish a slice, simplify the problem by writing out the number of girls on one side and the amount of time on the other side as shown. If the number of girls is halved, the amount of time is doubled. Therefore, we will multiply 5 by 2. By this calculation, it will take 10 minutes for one girl to eat a slice of watermelon. Generally, problems related to the number of people and the amount of time it takes them to complete work are known as inverse proportion problems. If the number of people completing a job increases, the amount of time it takes them to complete the job decreases if the pace of completing a job is constant. Now, suppose we take the same example of a girl eating a watermelon. If she takes 10 minutes to eat a slice of watermelon, how long will she take to eat 2 slices of watermelon? Will she take more time or less? It will take her more time to eat 2 slices of watermelon than to eat just 1 slice. In other words, if the number of slices increases, the amount of time required to finish them also increases. Therefore, the number of slices and the amount of time required to eat them are directly proportional. If the number of slices is doubled, the time it takes the girl to eat them will also double. So, we will multiply 10 by 2. As per this calculation, it will take the girl 20 minutes to eat 2 slices of watermelon. Generally, problems related to the amount of work and the amount of time it takes to finish it are direct proportion problems. If the amount of work increases, the amount of time it takes to finish the work also increases. Think about examples in your everyday life. When the amount of homework you have is doubled, you will take double the time to complete it, assuming your speed is the same, right? Now take a minute to solve this problem. Let us review. One farmer takes 3 hours to plant a row of corn. So, 5 farmers will take less time to plant the same row of corn. In other words, the number of farmers required to plant a row of corn is inversely proportional to the amount of time needed to finish the job. If the number of farmers increases by 5 times its original value, the time they take to plant a row of corn will be a fifth of the original value, which is 3 hours. So we will divide 3 by 5. Therefore, it will take 3/5 of an hour for 5 farmers to plant a row of corn. To summarize, real-life problems related to time and work either involve inverse proportionality or direct proportionality. Generally, if the amount of work to be done increases, the time required to finish it also increases. On the other hand, if the number of people performing a task increases, the amount of time needed to finish the task decreases.